Assalamualaikum, my name is Hanaa. Today we're going to prepare a minty refreshing lemonade. First, you need 3 oranges and 1 lemon and 1 lemon. You need to cut them into small pieces. And then you need 3 mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 glass of ice cube and 1 glass of water. To make this, you need to put them all together in the blender. Make sure you wash your hands. And then you put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Take the ice cube first. And then pour some water. And finally put mint leaves, 3 mint leaves. I use P1 because I have ice cubes in it.